If you've made it through this series, first of all, congratulations, because most people talk about getting in retail, but very few people actually prepare for the opportunity correctly.
And that's what this series was really all about, preparation. Because opportunities like Walmart Open Call can absolutely change your business and your lives. But you want to show up prepared, professional, and confident.
So in this final video, we want to walk you through your next steps before you submit your application. So step one, we want you to finish your RangeMe profile.
Absolutely. Before anything else, make sure your RangeMe profile is complete. Remember, Walmart Open Call applications are submitted through RangeMe.
Your profile should include clear product photos, product descriptions, your pricing, UPC information, packaging images, certifications if you have them.
And the more complete your profile is, the stronger your presentation looks. So step two, review your branding.
Go back and review your brand with some fresh eyes now, okay? Ask yourself, does my packaging clearly communicate the product? Does my branding feel consistent across all my channels? Does my product feel retail ready? Does my story connect emotionally with my customers?
And honestly, this matters more than people think because buyers are looking at the product, the packaging, the branding, and the overall presentation. So step three, know your numbers.
This is huge. You need to understand your pricing before talking to buyers.
Know your cost to manufacture, your wholesale price, your retail price, your margins, and your shipping costs.
Because buyers may ask questions quickly and you want to be able to answer confidently. So step four, we want you to prepare for scaling.
Another thing to think about is your production. If Walmart placed a large order, could you actually fulfill it?
That's why it's important to talk with manufacturers and understand lead times, understand supply chains, and begin thinking about growth. So step five, we want you to practice your pitch.
Yes, the one mistake people make is trying to memorize a perfect speech.
Instead, we want you to focus on clarity. We want you to focus on your confidence and explaining the value of your product and your brand.
Yes, your pitch should quickly explain what the product is, why it's different, who it's for, and why consumers love it. So step six, remember that buyers are people.
This is so important. Just remember, buyers are real people just like you.
And you do not need to have to sound like robotic or overly polished. Just be professional, be prepared, but also be yourself.
And passion matters. It matters so much. Your authenticity matters. Preparation matters. Step seven, don't count yourself out, okay? Do not disqualify yourself.
Because a lot of entrepreneurs talk themselves out of opportunities before they even apply.
And honestly, that's going to be one of the biggest mistakes that you can make. You don't need to have a perfect business to apply for this opportunity. You need preparation, you need professionalism, and the most important thing is going to be a willingness to learn, okay? So be open, be willing to learn new things or try something a different way, all right? So step 8, now this is a big one. Take action, you guys. Take action.
Yes, because at some point, you have to stop overthinking and move forward.
Because opportunities do not change businesses by themselves. Your action is what does it, okay?
So we hope this series helped you better understand what buyers are looking for and how to prepare for Walmart Open Call.
And remember, even if you do not get selected this round or immediately, the preparation process itself can still strengthen your business tremendously.
Yes, because building a retail-ready brand opens up doors to so many opportunities into the future.
Yes, so we hope to see your products on the shelf soon. And please remember, we are rooting for you.
We're rooting for you. See you on the shelves.